What's going on, guys? I haven't made a video in a while. I've been busy as fuck. But today, I'm putting the exhaust system fully back together on the Vic. I haven't even updated you guys what's been going on. I'm doing the exhaust manifolds and it sucks. And it makes me want to die. I don't want to do it. I got one side done. I just have to do the other side, the passenger side, which is a little bit easier, but it still fucking sucks. Yeah. Basically, that's what I don't know, I'm probably gonna try and finish it today because it's nice outside, sort of. It's hot as fuck, but it's not supposed to rain. I got some time. So I'm gonna just try and knock that shit out. Just get it, like, sort of done, because it still needs a transmission and it doesn't have reverse. Like, it drives, but I hate driving that fucking thing without reverse. It sucks. It sucks ass. Like, you can't really daily a car without reverse. So but once I get it sounding good again and get those manifolds back on, I think maybe I'll start driving it like to work and back and shit, and just, like, you know, trying to drive it a little bit more. I broke off the dipstick tube into the block. That sucks. Seriously, that blows, because I don't know how I'm going to get that out. I have to drop the pan and tap it out from the bottom. So right now I have a bolt in it to keep the oil in there while it's running. And so I'm not able to check the oil. So, and I'm sure a bunch of shit went into the oil, so I did an oil change right away. But it's scary because I can't check the oil level. So I made sure the capacity was, like, on point. And I've added a little extra just to make sure. But yeah, that car kind of fucking sucks to work on because everything is just so rotted on the engine and the block. Even the block itself is just falling apart. So, but yeah, I'll show you guys kind of what I've done, and then we'll get going on the passenger side manifold. What the fuck? Not for long. It'll get fucked. Get fucked. It's a fucking dog shit ass car. Just kidding, I'm only halfway there. Not even. What the fuck even is that? I've gotten lucky so far. Not really. I got that one out, and the stud came out too. And I got the nut off that one, the stud stayed in. Fuck it, whatever. Haven't tried those two yet. Don't feel like it. And one of those bolts, or one of the studs, broke. So I don't know if somebody already tried to do this and broke that and then gave up. I have no idea. This fucking sucks though. I think I'm gonna be able to get it out. Like, maybe those nuts will come out just like the ones on top. But this fucking sucks, dude. Like, how am I gonna get the ones back there? This steering linkage is in my way. I gotta take it off? Fuck me. Fuck. I should have got it fucking hotter. Yo. I've managed to get all 4 of the top ones, except the last one. Well, yeah. But I snapped it off. I took the engine mod out so I could get to the ones on the bottom. That's gonna be where I wanna fucking die. Holy fuck, that's what open headers sounds like on a fucking 4.6. So, in order to get this out, you have to take the engine mount out. It's the only fucking way. And also you have to take your dipstick tube out. Don't break it off and leave it in there like I did, because now I gotta fish it out. Don't know how I'm gonna do that yet, but let's hope that all these studs come out. Well guys, there's only two I wasn't able to get out. And to be honest, they can go fuck themselves. Got one side in, gotta do the other side. This side is all completely done. But now I gotta do the same fucking thing to this one. China. My person, China. China one. Yeah, this is how she sits right now. Now we gotta do this side. I got all the nuts out of the top. So now we gotta do the fun part where we crawl underneath and get the bottom ones. The worst part about this job is not being able to fit any tools in here. What the fuck am I supposed to fit in there? I can't even fit my hand in there. One more thing that I forgot to mention is you have to take the AC compressor out of its mounting spot in order to get that nut off. So that was fucking fun. So I just took the belt off right away, got that out. So after we finish all this, we gotta put the AC compressor back in. That doesn't even fucking work. So that's awesome. So I got this Dremel. I got this cutting wheel. This is what I used on the other side, and it took 10 years, but I was able to cut all the nuts off. So I'm not even gonna try and use a ratchet and a socket to get those fuckers off. I'm just gonna cut them. Dick. Had to reload. Remember to always wear your safety vest if you're cutting shit in half. Very helpful. Not get shit in your eyes. That sucks. I hate it when that happens. Fucking gator.
problem with this is I don't have any fucking area to move the hammer. Can't get a good swing on it. Move, folks. Well, guys, this hasn't been fun. Look at this nut that I just took off. Look what Motherfucker. Look what I had to do to this nut to get it off. Oh my god, are you guys fucking... What the fuck is happening? This is what I'm fucking talking about, dude. Sometimes I feel like I'm going crazy. I've been doing this for about 2 hours. I got one nut to go. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I might just fucking cut the son of a bitch off. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not dicking around. Basically what I've had to do so far is cut slits in the nuts with my Dremel. Take a pry bar with a sharp end, get it in the slot from under the car, and bang it with the hammer so it hits it, so it loosens it. And then after I get it loose enough, I put this guy up in there however the fuck I can, and it comes off. But I basically have to destroy the nut in order to get it to move. It's fucking rough. Like, this is better than the other side. As bad as this seems, the other side was worse.
I got it out, boys. Last one was a bitch, but I smacked it enough and it just fucking popped out. Thorman hooking us up today. Yeah, Felpro.